Hi, my name is Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about dry rot. What is it? How does it affect my home? And how do we get rid of it? So let's start with the what. Dry rot is a wood decay caused by a fungus that only affects wood that is excessively damp, with a moisture content greater than 15 to 20%. Dry rot leaves the wood brittle, cracked, weakened. And since wood is used in your crawl space to support your home, what is the result? Well, the result can be a host of structural problems. Homeowners often experience sagging floors, damage to floor tiles, trip hazards in the home, cracks in drywall upstairs, and in extreme cases, failure of the floor structure itself. Unfortunately, once afflicted, there's no return for dry rot. The only fix is to cut it out and replace it, which can be very expensive. And worse, if the conditions that cause the dry rot, excess moisture, are not rectified, it will happen over and over again to the new wood that's put down there. So, what's the cure? Well, the cure is to control water and moisture in the crawl space. Any water intrusion must be stopped by installing a complete and permanent waterproofing system. And high humidity must also be controlled so as not to exceed 55 to 60%. You see, if we can eliminate the water and control high humidity in the crawl space, dry rot can become a thing of the past, maintaining a healthy, structurally sound home and avoiding more serious problems down the road. If you think you're noticing dry rot in your crawl space, give us a call for a free inspection. We'd be happy to stop out, get you started with some ideas on how to get you back on the path to a dry, healthy home. Have a great day from all of us at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.